Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Range Rover Evoque. So from any screen, you've got nav over here, or you can if you're on the home menu, you can just that's the home menu there. You can just click on the center, or just say nav there. You've got nav menu and destination entry there. So nav menu, that's your stuff. Destination entry, previous destination, and so on. That's an important one. You can knock the sound off for route voice guidance there. So we'll just put that back on, go back. As you can see, if you can just click destination entry, you get the same thing. But postcode is the quickest one. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, P R, and then you go to numbers. The Range Rover Land Rover system is quite good. Usually when there's only 2 digits in the postcode, you have to put a space in, but this one automatically does it for you. J, where's the S gone? S, and then OK. Then you have to click, even though you clicked OK, you have to click go. Destination's nearby. Well, we're actually sat in the garage, so you couldn't get any closer. But that's it.